Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to change your IP address on Windows 11 using a VPN. Internet privacy and security have become more important than ever before. Changing your IP address with a VPN can help you protect your online identity, keep your personal information secure, and access content that might be unavailable in your region. So, I'll be walking you through the process of installing and using a VPN on your Windows 11 computer. If at any point in this video you'd like to give any of the VPNs a try, you'll find discount links available in the description down below to help you save some extra money. Now you may be wondering, what's a VPN? Well, a VPN, or virtual private network, creates a secure, encrypted connection between your computer and the internet. When you connect to a VPN, your internet traffic is routed through an encrypted tunnel to a server operated by the VPN provider before reaching the internet. This hides your IP address and encrypts your internet traffic, making it much more difficult for third parties to track your online activity or intercept your data. Installing a VPN on your Windows 11 computer is pretty straightforward. First, choose a VPN provider that works well with Windows 11. For this demonstration, I'll be using ExpressVPN, but any of the VPNs I'll recommend later should do the trick. Once you've settled on a VPN that suits your needs, go to their website and download their VPN software for Windows. After the download is complete, run the installation file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the VPN software on your computer. Then, launch the VPN software and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be able to choose a server location to connect to. After you've chosen a server location, click the Connect button to connect to the VPN. You should see a notification indicating that you're now connected. Finally, you can verify that the VPN is working by checking your IP address. You can do this by visiting a website like whatismyip.com. If your IP address has changed to the location you've chosen, then your VPN is working properly. Now, choosing a VPN can be a tough task. Luckily for you, I've compiled a list of the best VPNs you can choose from depending on your personal preference and budget. I've been regularly testing the best and most popular VPNs and narrowed it down to ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark as the best 3 overall. ExpressVPN is the best overall, fastest and easiest to use. NordVPN offers the best value with extra features and a great price point. Surfshark is the best budget option, allowing you to secure an unlimited number of devices with one account. To sum it up, not using a VPN to change your IP address can expose you to several online risks like hacking, identity theft, and online tracking. So I highly recommend you use a VPN to keep your data secure at all times. That'll be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to grab yourself the best discounts possible. Like and subscribe to see more of these videos, and let me know in the comments if there's anything in cybersecurity you'd like me to cover. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.